Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok violation on your account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to hit on the lower right corner where it says profile. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to hit on the settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to click on the section that it says report a problem. Don't lose your time trying to find popular questions and answers. Don't lose your time trying to find a topic, because this is simply not what is actually going to help you. This is passive generated information data by potentially what might be your issue and potentially what might be your solution. This is not what we're looking at. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to click submit report. This is where we're actually going to submit our own report and stating why we have this issue and why this issue is wrong and it's mistake. Let's presume that your video has been taken down for violation. Could be any reason for it. Somebody might report your video, you might have some graphics, you might be like a copywriter or something. All you gotta do is to write down a detailed explanation why your video has the right to be on the platform. Second, you need to utilize the pictures in the video section beneath over here, up to 4 pictures and up to 1 video. I want you to place a comparison video with a screenshot to show that this type of content is allowed and is still available on TikTok platform, and your video simply has to be alongside these videos. With the video section here, I want you to upload a very important scrolling through the feed to show that there is a huge demand for this type of content. I want you to go after the hashtags and after the trends, especially if you use a particular sound. You want to make sure that you want to prove that you're following the TikTok guidance. You're not going against them. You're not doing anything that is wrong. All this will validate your reasoning for having your video reinstated and having your account removed if you had a particular restrictions, because sometimes the issues that you have are not obvious. Your account might be shadow banned and you're not gonna get notified for. You're just gonna see that the performance of your videos is extremely down. It hits maximum of 200 or 300 videos every single video, right? So you understand that something is wrong. This is how you can actually reach out to them and you can report the issue. Don't try to reach out to them through Facebook or Twitter. None of these platforms work. This is the only way you can actually provide evidences, state, give links, and they can actually follow up. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.